Hello, 3 to Delta, this is 2-1 Charlie. If you can't see anything from there, push your man forward, over.
In the world, there is only one place secure, that's when you are between the Gorkhas, Prince Charles. There are soldiers whose minimum height is 152 cm rather than 157 cm. There are soldiers who are regarded as the most dangerous and capable of surviving in any situation. There are other soldiers that have a reputed for bravery, and when the British Army seen them engaged in combat, they were in shock. Let's learn more about this army regiment and the country's inner core. The Gorkha Regiment, whose name means protector in itself. The British were shocked when they first seen Gorkha soldiers fighting combat in Nepal at that time. As a result, with the signing of the Treaty of Sugauli between the British and Nepal, boundaries for Nepal were drawn. But Britishers were incredibly impressed by Gorkha soldiers during the Anglo-Nepalese War in 1816. The Gorkhas are Nepalese immigrants who came to India after British hired them for use in the military and other fields. Then they began preparing battalion Gorkhas for combat, attack and their fighting skills. As a result, David or Ketroni recruited soldiers from Nepal to form Gorkha regiments, which was a wise move on the part of the British. And they utilized Gorkhas in numerous conflicts, including the First and Second Anglo-Sikh Wars, the Afghan War and the Indian 1857 Revolutionary Movement. In the World War, the British contributed many troops and used Gorkhas battalion as well. From Monte Cassino in the west to Rangoon in the east, the Gorkhas served the British. India acquired Gorkha troops after its independence. As Nepal and India have also signed an agreement, the Indian Gorkha battalion will remain in India. India now has the 40 Gorkha battalion and the following regiments: 1 Gorkha Rifles, 3 Gorkha Rifles, 4 Gorkha Rifles, 5 Gorkha Rifles, 8 Gorkha Rifles, 9 Gorkha Rifles and 11 Gorkha Rifles are the regiments with more than 32,000 soldiers. In any battle, whether it was the 1962 Sino fight or the 1965 and 1971 wars against Pakistan, the Gorkha were always impressive. The Indian Army and administration have also requested Gorkha regiments numerous times to be sent to countries expressing civil war such as Syria, Lebanon, Sudan and other places. Almost all military honors medal, including Victoria Cross and Paramveer Chakra, have been earned by Gorkha regiments. Every Gorkha soldier carries the kukri, which represents the regiment's pride, coupled with the hat they wear with their uniform. They also have the popular war cry, Jai Mahakali, Ayo Gorkhali. The legendary Kargil war hero Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey was a proud soldier of 11 Gorkha Rifles, and late CDS General Bipin Rawat also belongs to the Gorkha regiment. Furthermore, while I speak about the Gorkha, I get reminded of what Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw once said: if a man says he is not afraid of dying, either he is lying or he is Gorkha. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Battalion Vishram! Jai Mahakali! बहादुरी का दूसरा नाम गोरखा बटालियन है। बहादुरों, ये लड़ाई और खून खराबा हमारे लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है। हाल ही में कश्मीर को हमने खून में रंगे देखा। गोरखापट्टन का नाम सारी दुनिया में मशहूर है। एक मर्तबा हिटलर जैसे सिपाही ने भी कहा था, अगर गोरखाओं की पलटन मुझे मिल जाती है तो मैं सारी दुनिया पे फतेह पा सकता हूं। इसीलिए आज आपका ये सीओ ललित राय अपने बहादुर सिपाहियों को कारगिल पे फतेह देखना चाहता है। कोई शक? जय महाकाली!